How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This is gonna be really quick. I'm just gonna show you how to program your remote control. This is a Nissan Titan, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. First, you have to lock the doors. So you have your doors locked. Then you have to have your key, and you have to insert 6 times. 2, 3, 5, 6 times. And then your hazard is gonna start blinking. Once your hazard blink, you're gonna put it on the ACC position, put it on position number 2, and hit the lock button, and your hazard is gonna blink. Once that happens, you gotta open your door, and then your remote should work. Okay, so that's how easy it is to program these remote controls. This is for a customer, so I don't know where he purchased this. She has another remote, so just do the same for the other remote, and that's how you program your remote control for your Nissan Titan. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.